Hi, I'm Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Make it with Zoodles or make it with Noodles. This tomato pesto pasta is out of this world. Here's what you'll need. Either spaghetti or Zoodles, zucchini noodles made with a spiralizer. This thing is so much fun. You just put the zucchini in the chamber and crank away. It makes long strings of noodles in seconds. Now for the delicious tomato pesto. In a blender, add toasted almonds, fresh parsley, basil, cherry tomatoes, shredded Parmesan, a little garlic, some capers, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Blend it all together, then slowly drizzle olive oil into the blender. Now heat up a skillet, add some olive oil, and throw the Zoodles in. Give them a stir for just a few minutes. You don't want to overcook the zucchini. Then spoon the pesto into the Zoodles, give it a toss, and you're done. You can use the same pesto on cooked pasta. This dish is so delicious, topped with cherry tomatoes and some grated cheese. It's fantastic with grilled shrimp on a skewer, too. Tomato pesto Zoodles. You'll want to eat oodles. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.